Now that you've created an input for someone typing their name, we want to do something with it. So what I'm going to do is go back over here to my code, and I'm going to go through and do another print function once again. So I'm going to have it print out something. And I'll put my parentheses around. Now what I want to do is I want to have it greet someone. So I'm going to put my quotation marks in and say, let's say, it is nice to meet you. Okay, and I'll put a space after this. If you don't put those spaces in there, it will have an effect over your code later on. So on the outside of this, I'm going to go ahead and put a space and do plus. And I'm going to put my name, just like it is up above. So what that should do now is it should put this phrase, this string, is nice to meet you, with a little space there, and then put my name at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and push stop on my code up here and click on run. So it's going to ask me again, what is my name? Mr. Blanchard, if I could spell it correctly. Push enter, and it'll say it's nice to meet you, Mr. Blanchard. Okay, so a little typo in there, but it still works pretty well. So now that we have someone's name in here, we can do different things with it. We can go through and change it up and put it in the middle of a sentence or what else we may want to do with this.